In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to install Epson L8050 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, I want you to copy the link that I have given at the description box below. Once you've copied it, please open your Google Chrome and at the address bar, make a right click and click on paste. So once you have pasted the link, you need to click on the enter key in your keyboard. In that way, you'll be able to see this page. So wait until you'd be able to see this drop down menu. Please click on this down arrow key and select for Windows 11 and click on the go button. The moment you click on it, in a few moments you'll be able to see this list of the software and drivers. Find for drivers, click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see the printer driver. Please click on this download aligning to it, and in that way you'd be navigated to a new tab or here. You need to agree first on the license agreement before you can start the downloading process. So please click on accept. The moment you click on it, you can now start the downloading process. So in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once completed, navigate to the top right corner, click on the three dots here, proceed to downloads, and from that, you'll be able to see the downloaded file here under the download history. Okay, so from that, click on the three dots here and click on download in secure file. Okay, and just wait until it would be done. Once done, please click on this folder icon so that you can show it in folder. So once done, please make a right click and then click on this cut icon. Once done, close the windows being opened. Here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. Once you have pasted the file here, okay, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click and then use the WinRAR tool if you have to extract this one. So proceed to WinRAR and go with extract to, and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop. Once it's here, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So to install, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. And under the settings, you need to find for the Bluetooth and devices here at the left pane. And then once you click on it, you can find their printers and scanners. Click on it again. And from here, please proceed to the upper right side of that. You can see there a device. Click on it and wait until you can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, select on add manually. And then please choose for the local printer or network printer with manual settings. Then click on next. Click on this down arrow key and select any of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. Then click on next. And then click on have disk and click on browse. So in this L window, you need to proceed to the desktop. Scroll down, find for the extracted file, double tapped here, double tapped again, double tapped, and you'll be able to see the two drivers. Select any of this, click on open and click on OK. And eventually you'd be able to see the Epson L8050. Click on next. Please rename it. In my case, I'll be setting Epson L8050 as the printer name. So click on next and you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next. Click on finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed this Epson L8050 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.